The full story of the bankruptcy of the largest American bank. How will the collapse of Silicon Valley Bank affect other banks worldwide? Silicon Valley Bank, the second largest bank in the United States, collapsed after investors and depositors attempted to withdraw $42 billion. The bank was unable to meet the massive withdrawal requests from its customers, who are mainly in the technology sector. Attempts to increase the bank's capital quickly also failed. What is the story behind this collapse, and when did the downfall of the second largest bank in America begin? The beginning of the fall, the story of the collapse of Silicon Valley Bank began when the bank's customers discovered that the bank could no longer meet their massive withdrawal requests. This forced U.S. authorities to close Silicon Valley Bank, a bank close to the technology sector, and place the bank's deposits under the management of the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, FDIC. Shortly after, U.S. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen called the regulators of the financial sector to discuss the situation. She emphasized her full confidence in the ability of these regulators to take appropriate measures, and that the banking system is resilient and capable of withstanding such a situation. However, she also mentioned in her testimony before the House Committee on Transportation and Infrastructure on Friday, "I'm watching the situation, and there are recent developments concerning some banks that I'm closely monitoring," adding that when banks suffer financial losses, it should be a source of concern. How will customers retrieve their deposits? Typically, receivership means transferring the bank's deposits to another bank in good financial standing, or the FDIC will assume the responsibility of paying depositors up to the insured limit of $250,000. The Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation plans to reopen the 17 branches of Silicon Valley Bank, which are located in California and Massachusetts, and allow. The rest of the text is missing.